My name is Faouzi Méribout. I'm a professional engineer. I'm specialist in bridges and structures. Currently, we are in phase with an important evolution in the engineering. So the integration of a digital solution has become a reality and the best response to industry needs. So working with a digital platform like Stelar becomes a necessity in order to better manage and also analyze information and provide effective and informed decision support to decision makers. Stelar is able to offer us an interesting dashboard with several information regarding the intervention plan, and also it is able to permit us to identify the action and investment to be taken. Stelar is an effective tool for decision support. It simplifies and synthesizes information to make the right decisions at the right time. Stelar can help us with the diagnostic by providing digital forms for inspection and surveys, with centralization and structured data providing direct access to historical data of assets. Also, the platform could be paired directly with the technological tools of data collection such as drones, scanners, LiDAR. Stelar could help during the analysis stages to better trace the behavior of structural elements, also to analyze original state and predict the future behavior of asset based on the probable failure mechanisms for each element of the structure.